Now we are going to work for Britannia Industries. Think that we are all employees of Infosys, and I am a senior consultant, you are a junior consultant. So I have some experience in SAP implementation. I'll be doing while I'm doing implementation for Britannia Industries, I'll be explaining each and every step whatever I'm doing in the system. Same thing, you have to do it in your system, in your uh, learning. We will be giving you same type of servers to you. Whatever I'm doing, you have to do it. But I'm doing for Britannia Industries, you can take Tata Power or Adani Power, or you can take something like Hindustan Unilever Limited, Hero Motorcorp, whatever companies you like. But don't take any mid-level or small companies. Take very big companies. So the level of understanding will be high. Okay. Now coming to the process, I wanted to do implementation for Infosys wanted to do implementation for Britannia Industries. So components required for implementation, components required for implementation. So first one, so if I wanted to do any implementation project, okay, any implementation project, so first one we need licenses. So if we wanted to work with SAP, so Infosys people wanted to work for SAP, then we need licenses. So licenses will be taken by Britannia Industries because we are working for Britannia Industries. Licenses should be taken by Britannia Industries only. Okay. So Britannia Industries, they will connect with SAP India, which is in Bangalore. There will be sales team. Britannia Industries will be connecting with SAP India sales team, and then they will be taking licenses. Generally, if there are 5,000 people who is working with SAP in Britannia Industries, one person, one license cost will be around 1 lakh rupees. So obviously around 50 crores they have to spend for licenses. If it is a 500 users, then 5 crores they have to spend for the licenses. Okay. So this is about license. Next one. After taking licenses, so what we can do now, SAP licenses are available, but where can we store the data? So we need to take server also. Britannia Industries, they need server. So server are two types. One is on premises and second one cloud version. On premises, it can be called, some people it can be called as private cloud. Okay. So this is cloud. This is called public cloud. Okay. So servers are two types. It can be on premises or it can be public cloud. Private cloud means we can take server from third parties like Amazon Web Services or Control-S, or we can take a server and we can keep in our office. So servers, this type of servers are called on premises. Next one, cloud. Public cloud means it will be provided by SAP directly. Okay, the space, the storage, everything will be provided by SAP. This is nothing but third parties. Okay. So approximately server 99% they will take on rental basis. Every year they may give around once a year for servers. Up to these two parts, we will not involve. SAP consultants will not involve. Only the company managers, project managers, they will be involving in this area. Now, third parties belongs to consultants. Third component is consultants. Okay. So consultants. So consultants, we are all consultants. To implement Britannia Industries project, I cannot implement alone. FICO consultant cannot implement alone. We need all of us as a team, as a group to implement the project. Clear? Now, FICO consultant. Okay. So for implementation project, I need 3 FICO consultants, 2 consultants, 2 SD. Okay. So 1 PM, 1 PP, 1 HCM, 1 PS, 10 ABAPers, 2 basis, 1 security. How many people? Around 24 people we need consultants for implementing this Britannia Industries project. Not only these 24, along with these 24, there will be a project coordinators, there will be a project managers, delivery leads, all put together 35 people will be 35 software employees, software consultants will be working for one SAP project. Okay. Now, so consultants, around 35 consultants will be working for implementation project of Britannia Industries. So our salaries will be given by Infosys, but we have to work for our client Britannia Industries. Hope you are clear. Now coming to the pro consultants. So this Infosys, they will charge from Britannia Industries. Britannia Industries will pay to the Infosys for the implementation. So it can be a 5 crores or it can be 10 crores. So it depends upon the company, and time duration for implementation will be sometimes it will be 6 months, it can be 8 months, it can be 10 months. Worst case 12 months also. Okay. So majority of the implementation projects, it will be done for 6 to 8 months. After implementation, again support. Now implementation is done in 6 months. What consultant will be doing? Consultant job will not be any risk. After implementation, he will be continuously supporting to that project. Without support consultants, we cannot run the business. We cannot run the SAP. Okay. So this is the support project. Clear? Next one. So these are the components. And sir, why we are understanding this? Because we are implementing, boss. We need to know all the components. So I'm taking you with licenses, server, and then consultant. This idea. Okay. This is the fact that we are doing in the project. Okay. Now let us go in depth of Britannia Industries. Now, okay, server is there. Okay, licenses are there. Server is there. Consultants was deployed. Consultants was deployed to Britannia Industries. Now what to do? First, consultants, we need to understand Britannia Industries business process. How to understand the Britannia Industries business process? So I'll go to Britannia Industries. I'll go to Britannia Industries. Okay. So I'll understand the business process. In real time, we will be deployed to the Britannia Industries corporate office where we can able to understand the business process. If we are not deployed, at least we'll be going and coming to that place to understand the process. Okay, now, so in coming to the Britannia Industries, so Britannia Industries is having different brands. If you want to, if you are working for any project, first you have to understand about that project. So Britannia Industries is having all these brands. So they want to report brand wise how much biscuit sales they have done, how much dairy sales they have done, each day wise, weekly wise, monthly wise, yearly wise, quarterly wise. They want to report. Okay, so these are the brands. Next one, I'll go to about to understand about the business. So it was established in the year 1892. So it is more than 130 plus years old company. It is more than 130 plus years old company, and it was established in Calcutta. It's okay. Okay. Now go down. Okay. The Britannia Industries was started by Wadia Group. Wadia Group is the one of the group companies. like I'll just go to Wadia Group website. Again, I'm clicking this. So Wadia Group is the parent company for Britannia Industries. So Britannia Industries is a legal entity. We are working for this, but the owner of this company is Wadia Group. So if you some of the examples for parent company, like Ultratech Cement belongs to Birla Group. Okay, Tata Motors belongs to Tata Sons. In this way, this Britannia Industries belongs to Wadia Group. Okay, fine. So this is the basic information we need to understand. And if you want to see the address, so these are all the address. Like this is the registered address. Okay, fine, enough. Now with this information, we can able to implement SAP for Britannia Industries. Now, okay, the information is available. Now system should be available, right? Yeah. Now this is the SAP system. You can see my icon here, bottom. So this is SAP GUI, graphical user interface. Here, what happens? You can just, this is the server that I am going to use. Okay. So this server will be like, uh, we'll be providing you the server details to you for practicing. No need to worry. So today itself you'll get servers. So those who have enrolled, I guess already you might be got it. So others, try to take this immediately. By tomorrow, I want all of you to be with servers. Okay. So click on server. So this is a ECC server. Okay. I am opening with ECC old system. I'll show you the new S4HANA also. But don't worry, 95% both are same. So when you are connecting with the server, SAP server, so this is the client which SAP has given for learning purpose, and this is the user. User will be like, so this is my user. So you'll get your different user IDs, and this is the password. Press enter. So one more thing I would like to explain you here. Let me log in once again. So SAP can be accessed with different languages, more than 30 plus languages, if I'm not wrong, we can use in SAP, like French. Yeah, you can directly use French, Japanese, Chinese language, German language. Like this, there are different languages where SAP will allow you to process. Okay. So let me go with English language. By default, English we are going to work. So now once you step into SAP, you can able to see a screen that is called, yeah, that is called SAP Easy Access screen. What is this SAP Easy Access screen? SAP Easy Access screen is used by end users. It is used by end users. End users will be working with SAP Easy Access screen. Okay. So, but we are not end users, right? We are not end users. So we are consultants. So we are not end users, we are consultants. What end users will be doing? They will be doing purchasing transactions. So end users, they will be doing all the transactions. So in SAP Easy Access screen, they will go to accounting, they will go to financial accounting, general ledger accounting, document entry. Like this, they will be for entering any document, they will come here and they will do. If they wanted to see the reports, again, they will see the reports. Okay. So this is the screen where all end users, it can be finance team, it can be purchase team, sales team, operations team, production team, HR team, projects team, everybody, whoever wanted to use SAP, they will be working under easy access screen. Here finance people will be working, whereas under logistics, purchase people will be working, sales people will be working, everyone will be working here. Now coming to the tools, okay, now we understood where end users will be working. What about consultants? Consultants will be working with tools, customizing, IMG, SPRO. This is the place where consultants will be working there. Okay. SPRO means SAP Project Reference Object. Double click this. Okay. Go to IMG. IMG means implementation guide. IMG means implementation guide. So here consultants will be working. So consultants will be working with SPRO, IMG. So consultants will be working with IMG screen. Okay. Okay. Consultants will be working with IMG screen, whereas end users will be working with easy access screen. Okay. Now, some of the basic configurations when you step into SAP, that is when you are logging, when you took your licenses, when you took your access, just go to system and go to user profile, own data. Okay. So here under default, please make it as decimal notation in this comma format. It will be like dot format in your system. When you log in first time, please change it as comma format. This is one thing. Next one, go to extras, settings, display technical names. This is one thing you have to activate. These two things. Okay. So next one, coming to menu options, edit options, favorites, extras. Whenever it is required, I'll be explaining you all these menu options. Like what is the use of back button, what is the use of log off button, what is the use of page up, page down, everything I'll be explaining you. No worries. Okay. So now I'll try to help you what we are going to do with SAP in the beginning. Okay. Just a second. Okay. Let us start. So now first we need to consultants. First consultants has to do the configurations. So FICO consultant, MM consultant, SD consultant, everybody has to do the configurations. But initially the first configurations should be done by the FICO consultant. Now FICO consultant, what we are doing. So once you log in, go to tools, or let me show you from beginning. So FICO consultant, I will log in once again. Go to tools, first thing, go tools, customizing, IMG, SPRO, and again click on IMG. Now this is the IMG screen. In IMG screen, we have to go to enterprise structure. Okay, we have to go to definition. We have to go to financial accounting. So when you are buying a new mobile phone, nothing will be related to us. It will be there, right? It's like a blank screen. It's like a blank system. It's having a functionality, but the system is blank. We have to give all our information. In the same way, when we are taking licenses from SAP for Britannia Industries, nothing Britannia Industries related information will be there in SAP. We have to do each and every configuration in SAP for Britannia Industries. Now go to first thing, whenever you are doing configurations, go to additional information, display key, document. So this is the additional information. Okay. So what to do now? So whatever, these are the steps I need to perform in SAP for implementation. But whatever I'm performing here, I'll try to update in the Excel sheet. So here I'll go as serial number, transaction, transaction code, creation code, explanation. Okay. Okay. Here I'm going to start one by one. First step. So what I have to do, I have to define a company. So first configuration, first setting in our layman language, it's a setting. But as per SAP, it's a configuration. First configuration, define company. So T code OX15 is the T code, OX15. So what is T code? I'll explain you. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll explain each and everything. So just execute, click on execute button, new entries. Here company means company is a group or parent company. Company is a group or parent company. That means in SAP, we have to give the parent company details. What is the parent company? Wadia Group is the parent company. So this Wadia Group is the parent company. These details we have to tell to SAP system. Okay, SAP doesn't know whether you are working for Wadia, whether you are working for Tata, or whether you are working for Reliance or Adani. SAP doesn't know. Now we have to tell to SAP, boss, there is a parent company that is called Wadia Group. How to tell? Go to SAP. So give the company name, the Wadia Group. Second name also, the Wadia Group. Name of the company too is not required. If you want to maintain, you can maintain. Otherwise, you can keep blank, no problem. Now coming to the detailed information. So where is the detailed information? I'll go to contact us. This is the information. So 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay. Street. What is the street? This is the street. Postal code, city, country, language, currency. These are the basic information. Okay. Now in SAP, if you are giving name, it will not work. With name, it cannot identify anything. You have to give a code, a short code, a shortcut for this Wadia group. That is called company. So what I am going to do here, the Wadia group. Okay, 9. I can take 9. Okay, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 I have already used. So I am taking 9. The Wadia group 9. So I am working for Wadia Group, right? But you might be working for Reliance Industries. You can take R1, R2, R3, anything, whatever you like, you can take it. Just press enter button. Oh my God. This TWG9 is someone already created in the system. So I cannot able to create same once again. I'll take it as T00900. Okay, it's our system. Don't worry, we can create whatever you want. In real time, when we are creating, we have to take approvals from the end users. I'll tell to end user, boss, I'm going to create this is as a company. If they accept, I'll create. Otherwise, if they ask us to change, we'll change. So here, this is a shared server. Anyone would have created this. So now what I will do, I'll do TWG 900. Press enter. It is also used. Okay, 90. Yeah, 90 is available. So I'm going to take this TWG 90, save. While you are saving in the system, you will get a request. In your system, it will be blank. The request will be blank. This name also will be blank. What you have to do, click this button, create request. FICO configurations. FICO configurations. Click on save button. Once again, click on this continue button. That's it, boss. The data was saved. Data was saved. So whatever you have created in SAP, I'll just maintain here. I'll maintain it here. I'll maintain here as TWG90. Just for further reference. Why you have to maintain in the Excel sheet? For future reference. Okay. Now, first step we have completed in SAP system, that is called company. Company, what it's an interview question. What is company? Company is a parent or group company. Enough. Nothing else is required. Whatever I'm explaining here, 90% this is enough. Okay. First step is done. Now you can ask me what is the T code. So what is T code? T code is nothing but if I go to the next screen, okay, I will be in next, I'm in new screen. I want to create a company. Okay, I'll go back from here. I want to create a company in the new screen. I can directly go to OX15. OX15. This is the T code, right? OX15 is the T code. T code is a transaction code. This is the transaction and this is the transaction code. OX15, press enter. That's it. See, directly it is coming. You no need to go to tools, yes, customizing, IMG, SPRO, again IMG, again enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company. This much process is not required. The entire path we can just go back, just give the T code OX15, enter. That's it. Here you can create it. But this is the two ways. Either you can go with path or with the T code. I'll be going with path because if you see that path, you can remember the transaction. You can remember it. Okay. So I'll be going with the path. So first step is we have successfully completed first step, that is company. Okay. So I'll stop here since my intention is to show you how SAP is working. So I will be continuing tomorrow. So by that, I want all of you to pick the servers, take the servers, be ready. Whatever I'm doing, you have to do it in the system. If I teach you 4 steps, you have to do that 4 steps. It's very serious. So then after completion of 3 months, you will be in a very confident mode and you can even, that will help us to crack the interviews. If you just listen, it may not help you much. But if you are doing whatever I'm telling, that will definitely help us for interviews and also subject wise. Okay. So that's my recommendation. Be ready with the systems by tomorrow. Okay. Next one. So that's it for today. So I'll take questions. Hussein, there is nothing like prerequisites to check the parent before selecting SAP. Oh, there is nothing like we have to take care of which currency they are using and which country they are in and address. That's it. Nothing else. Okay. Kausalya, which two options? I lost it. Could you please let me know which two options? Okay. I got it. One is with I understood Kausalya. Maybe you are asking about one is with SPRO and one is with T code. You can do the transactions in both the way, either with path, either with T code. Yeah, T code will be same. You go with US, UK, Germany, Japan, wherever you want, you can go. So this T code will be same.
Sorry
Okay.
for the interruption, Niranjan.
Yeah.
Actually, she is asking about SAP settings. You mentioned, right, extras and
Yeah. No
options and
worries. No
displays.
worries. Yeah.
That is, she is asking.
Yeah. I'll help her. No worries. Okay. So Darshan, in real time, when you are entering company, every detail will be provided by the end user. In real time, we don't know, right? So each and every detail, address, everything, pin code, address, everything, they will provide you. But here we cannot directly connect with Britannia Industries as in a pilot project. We are doing this, right? So we will take our own data. So for L1, what is the salary? For freshers, it will be like 3 to 6 lakhs, 3 to 5 lakhs, I can say. 6 lakhs is very rare case, 3 to 5 lakhs for freshers. And for experienced people, so there is no limit. I have, our placement people. Yesterday also one guy got placed yesterday. Okay. His name is Suresh. So we'll arrange a call with you going forward. He got placed with the 12 lakhs package. So he was having 4 years of experience. He was having non-SAP experience. He was like with different domain. So he got placed with Cognizant. A global certification, if you are having, it is good. Yes, we can even negotiate salary with the global certification. If you want, we'll guide you about the global certification. No worries. Okay. Yeah. Next one. So I hope we are good, right?
Yeah, I have one doubt actually.
Hmm. Yeah.
So we have a Wadia group here. So
Correct.
we are working for Britannia. So even
Correct.
Wadia group might have some other company, correct?
Yeah.
So who
Correct.
is going to create? Because I see you are creating parent company as Wadia, correct?
Hmm.
But we
Correct.
are doing implementation for Britannia.
Yeah.
Was it coming the hierarchy down the parent company?
Yeah. Down the parent. Next step will be, second step will be create company code. So here company code is a legal entity. In our example, Britannia Industries.
Uh, I have a doubt here again, one
Yeah,
more.
yeah. 1 minute. I'll tell you. So this is the parent. This is the legal entity, Britannia Industries. If you are having in Wadia Group, you are having these many companies. Wadia Group is having Britannia Industries, Bombay Burman, Bombay Realty. So all these are all legal entities.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. If you are working for 2 3 companies, then again you have to create 2 3 companies as a company codes.
So I'm only responsible for the Britannia for now,
Yeah.
as of this
As
example.
of now, we are only responsible for Britannia Industries. That itself a very big ocean to work on SAP. Okay.
Okay,
2 3 legal entities, we cannot work parallelly. If that is the case, the team will be different. One person cannot handle.
okay, got it.
Yeah. And options. So settings options, I'll be sharing you this recording session. You can able to get that options. Okay. So this is for Kausalya for 2 options. Okay. So one option is very simple. Let me help you once again. Go to extras, settings. This is the one option. Okay. Second option, go to system, user profile, own data. This is the second option, default one. Okay. Don't worry. We'll share you this recording. You can see that and you can do it. Not a worry. Okay. I guess we are good. Thank you so much.
One last question.
Yeah, please.
So for a global certificate, is it like how it will be? Like it will be expiring for every 1 year. We should write an exam for every 1 year.
Not required, boss. If you take once, yeah, it will be expired in 1 year. They will be giving the validity as 1 year only, but no need. If you have written once, that certificate is enough. Even it is expired, also no problem. They will consider. So it's a namesake only. To be honest with you, so the global certification is a purely namesake. and that will help you for salary negotiation, one thing. And that will help you for if two people are there with same skill set, we can consider, they will consider the people who is having global certification. But however, subject is the number one point. Okay. And somebody is asking about cost of global certificate. So let me stop